This is the video which I found somewhere and I tried this hack and it beautifully works. So let's try this. I don't have pink color, so I made it from mixing it red and skin color, which gives a very beautiful pastel color. So you can also try this. You will find it difficult to make a proper rose because in the first attempt you will not. So what you have to do is to follow the other pattern, that is, first make the three main petals, that is the round one and the two closed petals. Then what you have to do is to follow up the blank space. Now you will notice the rose like structure has been formed. What you have to do now, to pick up a white color and then mix it with a little pink color and then start following up the petals and filling them.